Good evening, my fabulous 17s. So, this is tonight's vlog. So, what did I do today? See, oh yeah, I did breakfast. I had peanut butter and banana, crunchy peanut butter and bananas for breakfast. And then I worked on school. I did some English. I tried to do some English. I took a quiz for that, and I learned some new English. Learned some new things, and then tried to take a quiz on it. Didn't do so good. It's because I had lack of focus because we had people working outside in the yard right outside my window. It was very loud. So I stopped after my quiz. I stopped working on my English, let them finish whatever the heck they were doing. And then I watched a lot of I binge watched jojo siwa on her YouTube channel, and I had lunch. It was a hot dog and some salt and vinegar chips, in case you're wondering. And after that, I worked on my Spanish. I'm getting a lot better at translating the sentences and the notes and all that good stuff. And I unloaded the dishwasher, and I did my laundry. And yeah, that's it. That's about it. And then after I did laundry, I made myself some dinner. I had some grilled cheese and some French fries and some chocolate milk. And yeah. And I binge watched more jojo siwa after my dinner. That's why it's taken me so long to actually film this video. I've just been binge watching all of her old videos. So I think that's about it for tonight's vlog. And I will see you tomorrow. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you want, you can like me on Facebook, follow me on Pinterest, and add me on Snapchat. Or you check out my Amazon links in the description.